Hey, I'm Lindy Chapman. I am here at one of our latest listings in Southlake, Texas, along with Kellie Kellner, who helps to, she puts together a great broker tour every week. They meet in Keller at the Snooty Pig, and then we come and we tour homes that are newly on the market. And I'm with Mackensae Parks, who has started working with me at 180 Relocation Group, and just wanted to talk a little bit about this new listing we have in Southlake, and also just hear from Kellie. She just got her broker's license, and hear a little bit about her take on this beautiful house.
I love this backyard with the two patios, the two covered patios with fans. One side's got the outdoor kitchen with the big dining room table. The other side is a cozy little nook just to sit and relax, and then the deck upstairs with the hammock. Great view. Love the pool. When I first saw it, I didn't realize how large it was till I walked out on the patio. I was like, oh wow, it just keeps going and going. So it's absolutely stunning. You must come see it.
So, thanks so much. So it is a great house. In fact, we lost one of our agents to the hammock upstairs
Yes.
while they got it. So, yeah.
Yes.
And Mackensae, I know you live up in the Lantana area.
Yes,
Tell me what you think about Southlake.
Southlake is definitely the place to be. It's where everyone comes to shop. At least it's about 20 minutes away from Argyle. This house is about a mile away from a lot of the shops in the area. So I would say Southlake is definitely the place to be.
It is a great town. It's where we first lived when we moved here from after 4 years in Germany. Love this area. This house in particular is a mile from the elementary school, less than a mile from the elementary school, less than a mile from the middle schools. It's right by Dragon Stadium, which if you know anything about Texas football, that is the place you want to be on the weekends and going to see the Dragons play. So it's a great home. So if you're in the market for a home, if you are a real estate agent and you have clients looking for a move-in ready home, this is a great property. A lot of the furniture can stay, the refrigerator, washing machine, dryer, which is great for those out-of-town clients that can leave those things behind and not have to bother with moving them and setting them up when they arrive. So if you want more information, give me a call.